Sangeet Choudary, Platform Scale: How an Emerging Business Model Helps Startups Build Large Empires with Minimum Investment. Are you curious about the new business model that is transforming industries with minimum investment? In our summary of A Platform Scale by Sangeet Choudary, we'll dive into the revolution from traditional pipe business models to the emerging platform models, which have taken over the digital world. Learn about the importance of simple core ideas for a successful platform and the key elements of well-designed platforms that ensure smooth interactions. Discover how fostering virality, overcoming interaction failures, and managing the reverse network effect can contribute to a successful platform-based empire.
The rise of platforms. The internet has ushered in a new business model where platforms replace pipes. Traditional industries used to rely on the pipe model where businesses pushed products to customers. However, with the mobile revolution and decentralization, platforms are now dominating. These virtual environments allow producers and consumers to interact and exchange value with each other. Rather than creating products themselves, businesses can build platforms and let users generate value, as seen with eBay, Uber, and YouTube. Simplicity attracts users. Learn how a simple core idea forms a platform's foundation. Simplicity attracts users and allows for flexibility to meet users' needs, leading to unthought-of uses for your creation. The success of popular platforms like WhatsApp and Uber lies in their simplicity. A platform's core idea forms the foundation of its services and attracts users. When it allows users to do something valuable simply, it drives usage. Twitter's 140-character rule and Instagram's powerful filters are examples of simplicity that enable anyone to create content that can potentially reach millions of people. A platform's simplicity also allows it to be flexible enough to meet users' needs. Mood Swing, for instance, started as a space for everyone to express moods but soon became a platform for its users to connect with people who could help them, like psychology students and psychologists. If you're creating a platform, it's important not to stick too rigidly to your original idea. Your users might surprise you and take it in directions you never imagined. It's crucial that platforms are simple enough for users to understand and use instinctively. Making a platform complicated immediately turns off potential users. In conclusion, a platform's simplicity is a key factor in attracting users and creating a flexible platform that meets users' needs. Being open to the possibilities and directions that users take the platform can lead to unthought-of uses for your creation. Building a successful platform. Creating a platform is a complex process, similar to constructing a structure using Lego bricks. It is crucial to focus on core value units, which are the services that the platform provides. Having more core units increases the value of the platform. A platform should be well designed and intuitive, making user interactions as seamless as possible. There are two forms of interaction to consider: creation and curation. Additionally, a good platform needs consumption filters to help users navigate the abundance of content available. By focusing on these factors, a platform can thrive and offer value to its users. The power of producers. In today's digital world, platforms thrive when a high percentage of users are producers of content. This trend has shifted from the September 1st 90 rule, where 90% consumed, 9% curated, and only 1% created content. Successful platforms offer users tools for content creation and channels to broadcast it. Instagram's success over Hipstamatic proves this point. Reducing unnecessary frictions, like security measures or poorly designed interfaces, can encourage more users to contribute to the platform. However, a balance between too much and not enough friction is best. Overcoming interaction failures. Interaction failure is a common challenge on digital platforms when the supply and demand are not matched, leading to users losing interest. The multi-home factor, where users take advantage of several platforms with similar services, exacerbates the problem. Platforms need to develop accurate metrics to understand the underlying issues that undermine interactions and the popularity of their platform. The article highlights instant messaging applications such as Messenger, Viber, and WhatsApp, which offer nearly identical services, but require users to install each app to access their full circle of friends. By tracking the right metrics, platforms such as Upwork, which helps freelancers find jobs, can optimize their services based on the needs of their users. This enables them to offer more efficient interactions, prevent engagement issues, and ultimately, retain their users. Building a user base for your platform. When launching a new platform, one of the major challenges is attracting users to prevent it from becoming empty. To avoid this, there are several strategies, such as targeting an asymmetrical market and using incentives to attract users, starting in standalone mode, and faking the initial supply of content. For instance, dating websites use dummy profiles of women to incentivize the first actual users to stay online until real women start subscribing. OpenTable, on the other hand, started as a booking management system before opening up to consumers. By utilizing these strategies, you can create traction for your empty platform and gradually build a user base. Building a viral platform. Viral content can create a successful platform, and to achieve it, entrepreneurs can rely on two strategies: bumps and engines. Bump strategy works through traditional advertising, which may lead to a temporary exposure. The engine strategy, on the other hand, uses virality embedded in the platform that self-sustains growth and works through the power inherent in the platform to increase exposure. Virality is not word of mouth; users participate by sharing core units of content. To reach the heights of virality, a high percentage of producers are essential, indicating the value of the platform. The virality of a platform should not be treated separately from its design. The perils of platform growth. As platforms grow, they may suffer from the reverse network effect, where an increase in users hinders quality service. This is seen in dating websites where women receive overwhelming messages when the platform grows too large. LinkedIn faces a similar situation where connecting users should not allow for unwanted requests. To maintain quality interactions, platforms must curate and limit harmful behaviors. For instance, Cupid Curated approves male profiles before joining to filter out provocative messages. In contrast, LinkedIn hides distant connections or offers unlimited access through a premium subscription, maintaining interaction quality and revenue.
In conclusion, Platform Scale takes readers on a journey through the rise of platform business models that have disrupted industries globally. Key takeaways from our summary include the need for simple core ideas to engage users, the importance of interactions, both creation and curation, within platforms, understanding the relationship between supply and demand to minimize interaction failures, and managing growth through virality and effective curation. By implementing these lessons, startups can create thriving empires that revolutionize the way we do business with far less investment than traditional models, leading to extraordinary success.